Most trade businesses don't switch software because they want to. They switch because something starts slowing them down. Here's the truth no one tells you. Tradify works well for many teams, but in 2026, there are several alternatives that are faster, more flexible, or better suited for specific types of field service businesses. In this video, you'll see the best Tradify alternatives, what each one is best at, and how to choose the right one based on your workflow, not just features. Let's start with one of the most popular options, Jobber. Jobber is designed for small service businesses that want simplicity and speed. It helps with scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer communication in one clean system. A technician like Jake can manage his entire day from a mobile phone without needing complex training. It is especially strong for businesses that want an easy setup and smooth customer experience. But here's the problem. Jobber focuses heavily on simplicity, which means it can feel limited if your business has more complex job workflows or advanced operational needs. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you want a more automation-focused system, many growing companies turn to Housecall Pro. It is built for service businesses that want strong customer communication tools, automated reminders, online booking, and integrated payments. A business owner like Alex running a cleaning or HVAC company can reduce missed appointments and improve cash flow just by automating daily tasks. But there is a trade-off. While Housecall Pro is powerful for customer-facing automation, it is not always the deepest option for highly complex trade operations or large multi-team job structures. For larger or scaling operations, another strong alternative is Service. This platform is built for enterprise-level field service companies. It offers advanced reporting, deep workflow control, and powerful automation across departments. However, it comes with higher cost and a steeper learning curve, so it is not ideal for small teams just starting out. So how do you choose the right alternative? If you want simple job management and fast onboarding, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication tools, Housecall Pro is often the sweet spot. If you are running a large operation and need full control and scalability, Service is the most powerful option. But here is what most people miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that matches how your team actually works in the field every single day. So, instead of asking which tool is best overall, ask which tool removes the most friction from your workflow. That one question will save you from switching software again in 6 months. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more field service software breakdowns like this.